Elvis Presley, the Eagles, Whitney Houston, Bob Dylan, the Beatles, Michael Jackson. Think of the biggest names in the history of music in our lifetimes. Has hearing a song ever brought back a memory or taken you to a certain place and time in your life? Yes, music has the power to do that. A lyric, a melody, beautiful harmonies can transform a mood, define a generation, connect us. With the sound of our voice or the punch of a finger, we can instantaneously summon the music that we want to hear. But what if, for future generations, the music that we love would be lost and never heard again? Case in point, Joseph Boulogne, the Chevalier du Saint-Georges. Imagine, if you will, a cool, breezy morning on a Caribbean island. A 7-year-old child clenches the hand of his white father. As they hastily move towards a ship, that child looks back for a glimpse of his mother, a black woman, a slave. And looking back, he doesn't know it, but he's marching toward this ship, and he is leaving the comforts of the world that he knows. He is headed to Paris, a world that will shape him as much as he will shape it. You know Bach, Mozart, and Beethoven, and you've heard their music, if only in your childhood cartoons. Well, in 18th century Europe, there was a man whose music rang forth in concert halls, whose star power equaled that of many of the other notable artists of his time. His command of the violin set a standard that's hard to emulate today. As composers, Mozart and Beethoven found inspiration in him. His command of that violin is still hard for many artists to perform today. Yet, his name has been forgotten. And music wasn't the only thing that he was good at. He was a commander in the Revolutionary Army of France, and he led soldiers through battles victoriously. And as a champion, undefeated fencer, he toured England. Yet, many don't know who he is today. But my work as a musicologist is to ensure that future generations know that his music, his work, is taught in our classrooms, and it never dies from our collective memory. Thank you.